Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Volkswagen Tiguan tire. First, ensure your safety by parking on a level, firm surface, well away from any traffic. Engage your parking brake firmly and put the car in park. For added security, place wheel chocks behind the wheel diagonally opposite the one you're changing. This prevents any unexpected movement while you work. Safety is paramount, so take these initial steps seriously before proceeding. Now let's get prepared. You'll need your spare tire, the jack, and the lug wrench, all typically found in your Tiguan's trunk. Consult your owner's manual to locate the correct jack points on the vehicle's frame. Before lifting the car, use the lug wrench to slightly loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Turn them counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn. This makes them easier to remove once the car is elevated.
Before we wrap up, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful guides. Quick recommendation: The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can truly change how you think about money. It's a fantastic read for anyone looking to improve their financial future. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the lug nuts loosened, it's time to lift the vehicle. Carefully position the jack directly under the designated jack point. Slowly raise the car using the jack until the flat tire is completely off the ground and can spin freely. Once lifted, you can now fully remove the lug nuts by hand. Keep them in a safe place. Then, carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs and set it aside. Now for the replacement. Carefully lift the spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs. Push it firmly onto the hub. Once seated, hand tighten the lug nuts back onto the studs. Make sure they are snug but don't fully tighten them yet. Lower the vehicle completely to the ground. Then, fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern for even pressure. Store all your tools properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.